Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese red velvet muffins. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, for our crumb topping, you need a half a cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and you want that cold. Then for our cream cheese mixture, you need 4 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then for our muffins, you need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, a 1/3 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm just using the Hershey's Special Dark, and then 2 teaspoons of red food coloring. Okay, we are going to preheat our oven to 375, and then I'm lined a cupcake tin with liners. You can just spray them if you don't want to line them. I just wanted to make it for easy cleanup. In a medium bowl, we're going to add the flour, sugar, and butter, and use a fork to cut in the butter. I used a fork, and then I just used my hands. You just want it to have coarse little crumbs right here. So I think that's fine. And now let's go ahead and set that to the side. In another bowl, you're going to cream together the cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla until nice and smooth. In a large bowl, we are going to whisk together our flour, baking powder, and salt. That looks good. So next I'm going to add in my egg, sugar, oil, milk, cocoa powder, and red food coloring, and just mix until it's incorporated. That looks great. So now we are going to fold in our cream cheese mixture into our muffin batter, being careful not to overmix. That looks pretty well incorporated. So now we are just going to scoop these into our prepared muffin tins, just about 2/3 of the way full. That looks good to me. This batter is really thick. So now we are going to sprinkle our crumb topping evenly over each one of our muffins. Okay, we're going to get these into the oven for 17 to 19 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. My muffins came out of the oven, and I did have to cook mine for an additional 5 minutes, so mine was 25 minutes total. And then I just removed them from the oven, let them sit for 10 minutes in the pan, and then just moved them to a cooling rack to cool completely. So now I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, we have one for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, come on, good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.